Hi guys, I'm going to be doing a little baggie for Halloween right now, so it's a bit late game, but we got some sweets here. We got packed sweets already. We got some lollies here, and we got some like jelly sweets over here. And we got these little cute little bags going to put them in. So we got like 3 designs. We got one that's like that, and one that is like this one in the pumpkin design, and then we have another one that is like this. So these are kind of 3 cool, cute little designs, and then we have another bunch of 3, which is like this little dino skeleton in a witch's hat with a cat in a pumpkin, and then we have a little, I would say, Grim Reaper over here. So it's all cute. They're all kind of cutesy little bags that we're going to put our sweets in. So we're going to fill these bags in. I've already made a start with this bag where I've put like some of those little mushroom sweets and then a jelly sweet and a lolly stick. Now what I'm going to do is open this pack and probably drop a couple in. So we'll just see how much is in the pack and see how many we can fit into the bag. So we're going to be doing that now. So I'm going to move these bags to one side. That's where we're going to be preparing everything. So let's start that. Put a glove on one hand so that I could use the little tongs inside this jelly sweet anyways, but I just wanted it so it's clean. Ooh, this looks so cute. These are like all sour, sweet and sour mix. So from, is it Trolley? So it's brand. I got from Amazon straight, so they came to me. So I'm just going to separate these and see how many of each we've got. Let's put some jelly sweets, some teeth here, some vampire teeth. Oh, look at this eyeball. Oh, this is kind of squidgy. Oh, interesting. There's 2 of those eyeball things. So let's put those in here. These are just jelly sweets over here. I'm just going to separate them as best as I can. And then we're going to start packing. Yes. These jelly sweets probably over here. Here, here. Over here. Yeah. So I think we've got these vampire teeth. We only have a few of those. So yeah, these jelly sweets are here. I'm probably just going to move this out of the way and put these in first. And then when we run out, I'm going to try and make 12 bags. Hopefully that'll be enough for the kids that would show up here. Put one of these in. One of you guys, well, some of them won't have eyeballs in them, so we'll throw in this one in a couple of them. That should be enough. I think we can stuff that bag enough, I think. It's pretty filled. So we're going to tie her off then. So all you have to do now, just turn this, and then I'll probably go over it one more time and then tie her off again. Yeah. Oh, there we go. That is the first candy bag made. So I gotta make another bunch of these. I might speed up the video while I'm doing this. And yeah, stay tuned guys. just show you again, because I think for the video it wasn't as clear what I was doing. So I'm just going to zoom in a little there. I'm just going to grab some more sweets and make a last bag here. Put a little lollipop stick. A little sour jelly sweet is also going in there. That's a very bad one. And then we got some jellies again. It's a mixed bag of jellies, I think, that one. This jelly is more of like a pumpkin kind of thing. And then I'm going to put an eyeball in there as well. That's really creepy. And I don't think I have... Oh yeah, and we have some little... I think it's a sour little jellies as well in here as well. Yeah. And we'll put... Ooh, just knock that. And we're going to put some more mushrooms in. Just like blueberry mushrooms, so they're kind of sweetish. So these can go in there. Find a lot. A couple others, put them in. And that is one full bag there. Hopefully zoom in a little. Let's have a look. Yeah, one full bag. And we're just going to close this bag now by tying it off, like so. That is predominantly what every bag has, unless there's some extras in there they've managed to get. I'm going to keep some spares there on the side. I've seen this little thing that we got, because just in case someone does show up later on, and we have some candy saved for them if they need. So that's that. And we've got our bags all set up here now. We've got all these bags filled. Beautiful bags of candy ready for the kids if they show up. I hope it don't rain too much, so then kids will come out and then they can have this. And thank you for hanging out with me preparing these sweets for today. It's Halloween. I'm going to be uploading this video hopefully later tonight. Yeah. And yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. Bye. Don't forget to follow, like and share. Thank you. Bye.